Currently, we are flying with Denver Airlines and serving burgers with snacks. First, let's prepare the burgers. Tap here. Now place trail mix on the cart. While the burgers are being prepared, let's take a look. These passengers want a portion of trail mix. Serve them now. Great! Let's get back to the galley and just a few more seconds. The burgers are ready. Add a burger to the tray. Good job. Now go and serve them.
Over here. Hello.
Hi. Hey. Great. Nice. Thanks.
Attention passengers, we will be landing shortly.
You have unlocked a lemonade dispenser. Tap to put the glass into the dispenser. Wait a few moments. Done! Tap to put it on the... Now drag it to the tray. Great! A burger will taste much better with a drink. Hey! Yes, please. Nice. Great. Wow.
Attention passengers, we will be landing shortly.
Welcome to Galley Upgrades. You can use coins you've earned to up. First, let's take a look at the lemonade upgrading the dispenser. Tap here to purchase an upgrade. Close the window. Great. Now let's check this side dish. Upgrading trail mix will tap here to purchase an upgrade. Great. Tap here to continue to level.